Hello, my name is METİN Arıdaşır. This is 361st part of explanation of my theory. You are wrong, physicists. When a black hole swallows massive and energetic objects, it doesn't gain mass and energy. When a black hole swallows massive objects, its mass and energy don't increase. Because in that time, swallowed objects, masses and energies in the same time, masses and energies in the same time. Destroyed. How? According to interconversion principle between massive electron motion forms and massless neutrinos that I put forth, when an electron motion form, angular motion form, electron motion form is angular motion form, and mass is a property of angular motion form, of intrinsic motion form, of meta-sensation perception matter. Electron motion forms point property, mass, on a point or total. And this mass has lambda wavelength. Without angular motion, there is no mass. And electron motion form inside of has a core, has a motion arrow, cycling motion arrow, as ring-shaped, three-dimensional, intertwined, spherical ring-shaped motion forms and its waves. But if an electron motion form exceeds the speed of light, it loses its mass and energy, because becomes a jet, becomes only a motion arrow. This motion arrow is neutrino, massless neutrino. Okay? And as I told you before, these motion forms, motion arrows, tangential speed is 6.28 times greater than the speed of light. And a black hole is nothing but a giant electron motion form, and it has axis and it has motion arrow that its speed has 6.28 times greater than the speed of light. And so thus, when a smaller electron motion forms or electron-like motion forms, stars are sources of free electron motion forms. When a black hole swallow a star, free electron motion forms, electron-like motion forms like gluons that had made protons, when black hole swallowed them, smaller than black hole electron motion forms or electron-like motion forms, these motion forms gain inside of the electron motion forms motion arrow 6.28 times greater than the speed of light. And when they gain this speed, 1,884,000 kilometers per second, instantly, completely, they have lost their masses and energies instantly and in the same time. Their masses and their energy is destroyed in the same time. So, in that time, total mass energy. Remember, wrongly Einstein thought that energy mass equivalence. No, energy mass don't equivalent. So, in the same time, together mass and energy destroyed, and total energy mass of universe now decreases. Okay. Then, when a black hole spat out these motion arrows inside of it, neutrinos outside, in other end of it, these massless non-energetic neutrinos, conventional and non-energetic neutrinos, goes through the space. Space is not vacuum. Meta sensation perception matter, and when a kind of cooling, a kind of coincides some things like, again, electron motion forms, etc., or protons, etc., they become losing their speed. And when they lose speed under the speed of light, becomes jets again, and after then the jets being again relatively their powers, motion arrow powers, they gain again their wavelengths, their energies, their masses, they become again electrons or electron-like motion forms inside of the meta sensation perception matter, and that time energy and mass created again in these processes. Have a good evening. See you later.